Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, one stop solution for all your defense need. Join our Telegram channel Defense Info 2020 for latest update as well as discussion. And if you have any query related to defense, do let us know on defenseinfo2020 at the rate gmail.com. So, friends, today I bring you the last part of the part 10, the most important current affairs MCQ compilation series that will be beneficial for your UPSC Combined Defense Service Examination 02 2021 and NDA NA 02 2021, whose exam will be going to conduct on 14th November. And friends, if you have followed all the series religiously, 20 questions are sure shot, because the current affairs will be directly linked to all the questions which I have provided to you. And also you have to do some homework. You have to find the full meaning as well as other details of it, but rest of it will be directly linked to this current affairs. So friends, the first question is, who has become the youngest person in the world to reach the summit of K2? K2 Godwin Austen. It is located in the POK, okay, and it's the second highest mountain. And friends, this recently has been done by Seroz Kashif. So option A is the correct answer. The next question is as follow in your screen, friends. Which city has declared water plus? Okay, first water plus city in the world under the स्वच्छ सर्वेक्षण 2021 2021. ठीक है, so this milestone has been reached by Indore. So option A is the correct one. The next question, Al Muhammad Al Hindi 2021 is the first naval exercise between India and which particular country? ठीक है, so it is Saudi Arabia, friends. With Saudi Arabia we have conducted this particular exercise. Okay, next question, friends. Who has taken the new controller general of the account? ठीक है, very important, new controller general of account, that is CGA. ठीक है, so recently this has been took by Deepak Das. Option B is the correct one. The next question is, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award has been renamed as what? ठीक है, so this question been in the news, and it is also a controversial somewhat. After this, after the Olympic, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award has been renamed on Major Dhyanchand Award. ठीक है, Major Dhyanchand Award. So you can see the options, friends. So from the option you can tick the option C, Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award. And also remember, the Lifetime Achievement Award in sport is also given on the name of Major Dhyanchand, the Lifetime Achievement Award. So option C is the correct one. Next question, friends. Which among the following has India won? ठीक है, his India won the first gold medal at Tokyo. ठीक है, so Tokyo Olympics, friends, Tokyo Olympics, the first gold from India was Neeraj Chopra. ठीक है, Neeraj Chopra. And now I will be telling you some more thing about Neeraj Chopra, is that Neeraj Chopra, ठीक है, won it when he was 23 years of age. And plus the way he has thrown, the distance that has like the javelin has been covered, because he was from the javelin throw. ठीक है, and this is a track and field game. It's a part of athletes. ठीक है, so he thrown the javelin for as you all know, friends, what was the length? It was 87.58 meter. ठीक है, and for which he got the first prize, that is the gold. ठीक है, it very important question. And friends, of course, if you see about the option, it is Neeraj Chopra. ठीक है, the next question, friends. The Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has launched which cashless and contactless instrument for digital payment? ठीक है, very very important question, very important question, star market. ठीक है, PM Shri Narendra Modi has launched cashless and contactless instrument digital. ठीक है, it's generally a voucher. ठीक है, it's generally a voucher type which has been introduced recently for seamless cashless digital payments. Now this voucher is known as e-rupee. ठीक है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ई रूपी, इट्स जनरली अ फॉर्म ऑफ वाउचर, ठीक है, विच हैव अ QR कोड, ठीक है, एंड इट कैन बी अवेल, like suppose if you have been got some subsidiary related to your agriculture, you can avail it, ठीक है, to going like whatever you require, ठीक है, based on that you can avail the subsidiary, ठीक है. So e-rupee has been launched, and Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated the world's second largest refurbished national gene bank, ठीक है, at the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources in which city? So from the given option you can easily mark it is in the Pune, ठीक है, it is in the Delhi, the capital of Delhi, where National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, ठीक है. Now the General Insurance Business Nationalization Amendment Bill 2021, ठीक है, was passed in the Parliament. देखो recently there are so many things which has been passed in the Parliament. That is 127th amendment that has been after the assent of the president, it has been as 105th, ठीक है, is related to OBC, ठीक है. There are so many bills that has been passed, and among them this was one of the bill, ठीक है, which got amendment from the Parliament. So it got replaced by which particular act? Actually it got replaced from the B, that is General Insurance Business Nationalization Act 1972. The option B is the correct one. Next question friends, which tiger reserve, ठीक है, which tiger reserve received the NatWest Group Earth Heroes, ठीक है. So in Satpura you have a national, National Tiger Reserve. So recently that Satpura National Tiger had received this particular thing, that is option number C is correct one, okay. Next question friends, as you can see in the screen, with the latest addition of 4 more sites, the number of Ramsar site of India has reached. So first of all you need to mention in the comment what is Ramsar site means, okay, what is this actually, okay. And with addition of 4 number, how it became 46, ठीक है. तो answer will be 46, previously it was 42, ठीक है. This is the answer, and previously it was 42. Next question, who has been conferred Ashok Chakra posthumously on the eve of Independence Day 2021? That is Baburam, option number C. DRDO has recently successfully Nirbhaya cruise missile, ठीक है. Now in a previous video I have discussed that Nirbhaya, ठीक है, it's generally a what type of missile? It's a subsonic missile, ठीक है, subsonic cruise missile, right, subsonic cruise missile. And what is the what is the range of it? I have not discussed about the range, ठीक है. Testing facilities in the Chandipur, Odisha, ठीक है, and this has been launched recently. What is the strike range of this particular missile? It is the having 1000 kilometer strike range, that is option C. PM Daksh, ठीक है, which ministry has launched this portal PM Daksh? So this is recently been done by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, ठीक है. And in the comment box you need to mention what this Daksh, ठीक है, what this total thing means, ठीक है, full form. Next question, which has become the first state in India to recognize community forest resources right in the urban areas. So this has been Chhattisgarh friends, who has recently recognized it. Next question friends, from the question you can see the Pensilungpa glacier located in which valley is retreating due to increase in the temperature and decrease in the precipitation. So it is in the Jansar valley, ठीक है. This glacier is located in Jansar valley, very important question, ठीक है. Now what happened in this valley, ठीक है, increase in temperature, decrease in the precipitation during the winter, ठीक है. So next question, project replan. See, I already give the full meaning, reducing plastic from nature, ठीक है, RE reducing plastic, ठीक है, and N for nature, ठीक है. This is plastic, this is nature, and that is reducing, ठीक है. So replan is a project of which organization, ठीक है. It is the organization of KAVIK, ठीक है, KAVIK. So you need to know the full form also. Comment down on the comment section. Who has become The first Indian Navy ship to call Heritage Coastal Portal Gopalpur in Odisha. It is INS Khanjar. Option D. Which state government has decided to extend the sponsorship of Indian hockey? Okay, so for further 10 years, and you need to know that Indian hockey has been sponsored by Odisha government. Okay, Odisha government, and now again it has been extended. Okay, so option B is the correct one. Which has become the Sonchiriya? Which ministry has launched the Sonchiriya, a brand and a logo marketing product for the self-help groups? Okay, Sonchiriya. So this is has been done by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Very important question, right? Directly linked to the current affairs. Who has, the World Health Organization, that is WHO, has created which new advisory group to search the origin of COVID? Okay, so as we all know where it has been originated from, but still WHO has created a new advisory group, that is SAGO. Option D is the correct one. Okay. The Ministry of Ayush has collaborated with the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine to conduct the study of medicinal plant promoting recovery of COVID-19. ठीक है, तो it is Ashwagandha. ठीक है, Ashwagandha. Option A is the correct one. Which state has opened the Kuthiran tunnel? ठीक है, open the Kuthiran tunnel. Which state it can be? ठीक है, it is already I have discussed, it is Kerala. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हेन इज द वर्ल्ड रिवर डे? ठीक है, इज ऑब्जर्व एवरी टू ऑब्जर्व एवरी ईयर टू रेज द पब्लिक अवेयरनेस अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, दिस इज जनरली अ मोटो ऑफ इट, टू रेज द पब्लिक अवेयरनेस अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, इट इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, 4th Sunday ऑफ द September. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. IIT गांधीनगर. ठीक है, IIT गांधीनगर. Now in IIT Gandhinagar is association with which particular board of education to launch the online education platform? Now you see that is 3030 Iklava series. ठीक है, to demystify the science and maths concept. So recently it was CBSE. Option B is the correct one. Name the cyclonic storm recently has affected the Orissa and the Andhra Pradesh. ठीक है, an important question that you need to know. And friends, it is Gulab, friends. Option number C, very important. Recently it has been hitted. And one more thing, friends, very important, that this Gulab name is given by the Pakistan. ठीक है, Pakistan gave it. Important one. Now this cyclone generally hit the coast of Andhra Pradesh as well as Orissa and causing a widespread rain in the coastal region. ठीक है, important one. And there are so many recently the winds which has affected the cyclone, and among which Gulab is the one of the top one. ठीक है, so next question. The Green Consumer Day. ठीक है, Green Consumer Day is celebrated globally to highlight, see, the problem of consumerism and impact on its environment. This is a motto. ठीक है, so it has been hosted every year in 2000 in September 27. ठीक है, which one of the following has launched a countrywide training capacity building program for women in dairy farming? ठीक है, so it is option D, that is National Commission for Women. Very important one. Next question. 11th International Peace Conference on the occasion of United Nations International Day of Peace. This has been been conducted in Leh. So option A is the one correct. The largest estimated GDP growth rate of India as per ADB. ठीक है, as per ADB, that is your Asian Development Bank, is 9%. It is around 9%, friend. Wait a minute. No friends, it is 10%. I was wrong, it's not 9. It was recently, because previously they have estimated around 11%, but it is around 10% that has been recently estimated by the ADB, that is Asian Development Bank. So option A is the correct one. India is likely to get its first electric highway. ठीक है, this electric highway from Delhi to Jaipur, very important one. It is first is Delhi, ठीक है, and then the Jaipur. Recently, which one of the following country has India established a comprehensive economic partnership? So this is UAE. Okay, it has been in the news. Next question. As per the Food Safety Standard Authority of India, India is set to become the trans fat free by which year? So it is 2022. That is the next year. International Day of Sign Languages is observed to raise the awareness about importance of sign language. Okay. So what is it? So it is celebrated on 23rd September. When the first Heart Day, ठीक है, World Heart Day, not the Heart Day, World Heart Day, celebrated annually, to raise the awareness of cardiovascular disease. ठीक है, so it is annually celebrated on 29th September. Hydropower station has been conferred with prestigious Blue Planet Prize by International Hydropower. So this is done by Teesta V Power Station. Okay. Now tell me which is the Teesta is a tributary of which particular river? Okay, very important question, and just you need to give in the comment section. Recently, which state has of the northeast has received geographical indication tag for sweet cucumber? ठीक है, sweet cucumber recently they have got the geographical tag, so that is Nagaland. Next question. In which particular following state recently a tea park, ठीक है, so tea it is mainly harvested in which particular state? It is in Assam, ठीक है, then the second is West Bengal, ठीक है. If you talk about place, it is Darjeeling. So at Changyong, Kamrup district is set up in Assam, ठीक है, option A is the correct one. Which hydropower station has been conferred with already done, ठीक है, on September 15, World Democracy Day. Which state has launched a My Meg program to promote participatory democracy? See, My Meg, so Meghalaya, ठीक है, option A. Recently, how much of the FDI limited approved for the telecom sector? It is 100%, friends. ठीक है, not just in this 100%, even in the renewable energy it was 100%. 74 was national pension wala. ठीक है, I already discussed in the previous videos. The next question was Pay Now. See the Pay Now, what happened? This has been launched by which particular country that will be linked to unified payment interface. Okay. So see, UPI has been following by Bhutan. It is also been adopted by the Singapore, okay, India, even the UAE. Okay. So recently this thing has been done by Singapore. Okay. Recently, World Bank has announced to discontinue which one of the following report? So important one, ease of doing business has been, generally ease of doing is published by World Bank. So it has been discontinued. Next question. Government of India is set to host the first ever global conference in which state? Okay, it will be hosted in Bihar. So option A is the correct one. Next question, friends. Recently, in which state Northeast first software technology park was inaugurated? First software technology was in Nagaland. Important one. First, why it is important, I'm telling you. See, Northeast, first of all, Northeast and first technology park. Okay, Nagaland. I mean, recently there are so many things, even species, all things are being inaugurated with the Nagaland. Okay, so one question will be based on Nagaland can come in the CDS. BHEL has commissioned India's largest solar power photovoltaic power plant of 25 megawatt. ठीक है, in which particular state? ठीक है, recently this has been inaugurated in which particular state? So it is Andhra Pradesh, friends. ठीक है. Which state has declared कूपर महाशीर, locally named as catly. ठीक है, catly is a type of fish, friends. So it's a state fish of which particular, it's a state fish to highlight the importance of fish. ठीक है, it was Sikkim, friend, it was Sikkim, important one. So next question, as in your screen, in which city India first pilot the plant, ठीक है, has established to convert high ash into coal of methanol. So it is in the Hyderabad. ठीक है. Recently, which country has first Hindu woman civil servant? This is Pakistan, friends. ठीक है, Pakistan has have this first Hindu civil servant. Chesok is a major harvest festival is celebrated in which particular following country? ठीक है, it is celebrated in North and South Korea. Which one of the following is World Rhino Day? In Kaziranga National Park, it is very famous for one horn rhino, just remember, and it is observed as raise awareness of the need to protect the 5 existing species of rhinoceros. ठीक है, so it is option A, 2nd September, 22 September. India has climbed the 2 spot of Global Innovation Index 2021. Global Innovation Index 2021. Who released it? It is related by WIPO. ठीक है, that is WIPO, and there is World Intellectual Property Organization. ठीक है, when the world that is your Alzheimer days observe every year that aim to raise the awareness of about disease, dementia, common symptom and risk factor. ठीक है, it is in September 21 every year. Next question, electronic park. ठीक है, which state has cleared the proposal to develop electronic park to promote electric industries? ठीक है, this is has been done by उत्तर प्रदेश. ठीक है, electronic park, UP has done this. ठीक है, now talking about Karnataka, already motorcycle wala, that is done by Karnataka. Charanjit Singh Chani has become the new chief minister of which particular state? ठीक है, he become the new particular chief minister of Punjab. Which one of the following state assembly has passed a bill to make misbehavior with tourists cognizable offence? That is your Rajasthan, option B. Recently, Indian Council of Agriculture Research has launched Netra Jumbo. ठीक है, Netra Jumbo 1. It is a variety of what? It is a variety of cashew. ठीक है, हॉकीज मेंस जूनियर वर्ल्ड कप, ठीक है, विल बी हेल्ड इन 24 to 5 December 2021. ठीक है, in which particular state? It will be hosted in Odisha. Next question, who will be heading the committee of 12 members formed by 5th National Curriculum Framework? ठीक है, so that will be KK Kasturi Ranjan, option A. And which particular country has the Cumbre Vieja volcano has been erupted after 50 years? That is Spain, option A is the correct one. Next question, recently 2 beaches has been accorded the coveted blue flag certification in the which state? 2 beaches which are located in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Who has been conferred with SDG Progress Award for the steady progress of achievement sustainable development goal? ठीक है, steady product who? It is Sheikh Hasina. ठीक है, very important one. Vishonic Neptune is an extinction species of recently mentioned in media in it is an extinct species of what? It is an extinct species of otter. ठीक है, option A. Who has been authored the Razengla Battle of Razengla that deals with 1962 Indo-China War? In this particular battle, PVC is won by Major Shaitan Singh. ठीक है, very famous, and this is recently written by your Kulpreet Yadav. ठीक है, which country has won the Ryder Cup? That is won by USA. ठीक है, and you need to know Ryder Cup is associated with which sport? GDP projection of India, ठीक है, 2020 as per ICRA. ठीक है, ICRA rating agency, that is 9%. ठीक है, Now talking about your Asian Development Bank, it was 10%. ठीक है. Recently, which Indian Institute of Technology has set up the Center of Excellence and Quantum Technology? That is IIT Delhi. Next question: who has been emerged the second biggest trading partner of Dubai after China, as per the statement of Dubai government? ठीक है. So it is India. Lieutenant General Gurbir Pal Singh has been appointed as new DG of which organization? It is a new DG of National Cadet Corps. And friends, remember Lieutenant General Gurbir Pal Singh. He is from Special Forces. ठीक है, he is from SF and he is currently the DG of NCC. ठीक है, Director General of NCC. And also know that the motto of NCC, ठीक है, that is unity and discipline. This question has also came in the CDS. ठीक है. Next one. MGR railway station became the fully powered by solar energy recently. Where it is located? ठीक है. Where it is located? It is located in Chennai. Grand Prix Russian won. First of all, who is the winner of 2021 Formula 1 Russian Grand Prix? ठीक है. It was Lewis Hamilton. Next question. World Environment Health Day. ठीक है, not Health Day. Health Day is in the April. World Environment Health Day is celebrated globally to raise the awareness of rating the health of the environment. That is September 26 every year, friends. Next question. Which one of the following United Nations observe the International Day for the total elimination of nuclear weapon every year to enhance the public awareness about the threat posted by humanity by nuclear weapon and their necessity of total? So it is in the 26th September. Next question. The Jadima rice wine is the Northeast first traditional brew to get the geographical indication tag, and it is a rice wine of which particular Northeast? That is Assam, friend. Next question. What is the upper limit of annual PM 2.5 according to WHO New Air Quality Index guidelines? That is 2021. That is 5 microgram per cubic centimeter. So friends, this is all. And if you like this video, do share among your friends and fellow defense aspirant. And also friends, if you wanted to have any query, just do let us know on defenseinfo2020@gmail.com. And friends, till then, meet you very soon and best of luck for your exams.